doing the cinnamon challenge now. This is Jill.
No, tell them that there's not a lot of.
Oh, there's not a lot of cinnamon, so we have to take it easy a little bit. But yeah, this is Jill, Nick, Scott, and I'm Emily. Holla, holla, holla. Jill's first. We've drawn numbers, and Jill is first. Go,
Again.
Jill. Yeah, again.
Don't waste all the water.
I have that one too.
Dude, it's
Proceed.
like freaking bacon.
Okay, I feel like. No, I feel like I can actually do it.
Okay, go.
I got nervous. Like, I want to do it.
Can't even do it.
Shut the fuck up.
Don't spill it.
I can do it.
I get that. I get that. Game over.
Ew. They raunchy.
Next turn.
Oh, fuck, it's burning! Alright, I'll just do it.
Yeah. Don't pretend like you can do it. Your face expression. Obviously, there wasn't enough on his spoon.
Hit him up again.
No, no. Mhm.
Oh, hell no. Search for him. You want that water?
Ew. Oh, burn! Oh, don't move! Ah!
Okay, like none's coming out.
It's gone.